Geocaching is a type of global treasure hunt where people are looking for caches or hidden stashes of objects. We've enjoyed geocaching for years. This year, we decided to participate in the Georgia State Park Geo Tour, which allowed us to explore all their state parks.
We are here at one of Georgia's great state parks, and this weekend we are on a geocaching tour of all their parks. So right now they have a challenge going on. If you go online to Georgia State Parks, you can find out all the information about it. But basically, when you do 9 parks, you get this cute little coin or this little something. So it's a free adventure. We are going to head out. Join us on this grand adventure.
We started this geo tour here at Don Carter State Park. Our goal was to knock out 6 parks in one day.
We have invited some friends. You see they have their Jeep called Roxy, and we have Sparky with us. And we are on a journey to find 9 geocaches. So come on, let's jump in Sparky and Roxy and get this adventure started. Okay guys, we just finished our first geocache here at Don Carter State Park, and it was a great find. Pretty easy to walk to, not a real far walk.
So the second park on this adventure today was Tallulah Gorge State Park, and it is so beautiful. Of course, it was fall when we went, or winterish, and it was just a beautiful park to visit. The cache was a little further off the trail than the first park we visited at Don Carter, but still a nice, easy walk to get. The third park was Black Rock Mountain, and it was gorgeous as well. We found a great picnic spot where we had a charcuterie board for lunch. Beautiful park, beautiful views. The geocache was down around the lake area, so you see here us walk into the cache. Beautiful. The fourth cache we went to was Moccasin Creek. Now, it was basically a grab and go cache. It was very easy to find. Moccasin Creek is a smaller state park, but still just as beautiful. So the fifth state park, here I thought we only did 4 this day, was at Unicoi State Park, and it was pretty. It's up near Helen. We've actually camped here before. Really nice park. The lake is beautiful. Definitely an easy trail to walk to. Now the 6th park we went to was the very last one of the day, was Smith Gall Woods, and it was a little bit of a walk on a paved trail, but you walked to this beautiful covered bridge, which was really, really neat. But it was getting dark and we had to get going. It took us a whole year before we found the time to finish our geo tour. On this weekend here in February of 2022, we started at Red Top Mountain. We actually camped at Red Top Mountain State Park, and we liked it. It was a nice place. We don't do a lot of things on the other side of Atlanta. We live on the east side of Atlanta, so we rarely go to the west side, but I think we're cheating ourselves. The state parks on that side are just as pretty as the ones over here. The next park we visited was James Floyd State Park. Very beautiful state park. We did a little hike here and absolutely loved it. The cache was great. Be sure to see the marble mine while you're here. It was a beautiful feature of this park. We spent a weekend camping here at the state parks and exploring the northwest side of Georgia, and I have to tell you, we miss out sometimes. Sometimes we go, oh no, we're not going to that side of Georgia because we have to go through Atlanta traffic, but spending a weekend, it was absolutely worth it.
Okay, so it has been a year since we started our geo tour here in Georgia of the state parks. We started last March in 2021. It is now 2022. And we are finishing it up. We have 5 parks to do today, well, over the weekend. Here we are at Sloppy Floyd State Park. I like to call it Sloppy Joe's. We all love some Sloppy Joe's. Anyway, so here we are at Sloppy Joe. This is the Marble Mine Trail. We just hiked about a mile to get here to this beautiful waterfall here at the Marble Mine. We also did the cache. I'm not going to show you where it's at, but it was on this trail, some geocache somewhere on this trail. So good luck with that. And we're going to finish out 2 more miles here for a total of 3-mile hike. And then we're going on to Cloudland Canyon. So y'all follow along. Guys, this is the 8th wonder of the world, the backside of water. And if you've ever been on the Jungle Cruise, then you know that's funny. We're on the backside of water, the 8th wonder of the world.
The next park we visited was Cloudland Canyon, and just be aware if you camp here in the wintertime, February, it might snow on you.
So here we are at Cloudland Canyon doing our geocache and waterfall hunting, and it snowed on us last night. What a super cool adventure. You could not have planned this adventure any better. So from our campground, the West Rim Campground, we're taking the trail over to see the waterfalls. Now, as you can tell, it's very snowy, so that's why I'm taking my time, but this is super cool. Very, very cool.
We hiked down to the waterfalls, which is a lot of steps, but so worth it. And with the snow and the ice, it was gorgeous. The next park we visited was Fort Mountain. Now we had a little trouble finding the cache on this one. We could see it on the map, but we couldn't quite get to it, so we stopped at the ranger station to ask for some directions. They helped us, and whoop whoop, we found it. The very last park to finish our geo tour was here at Unicoi Falls.
Okay, so we are here at Unicoi Falls, and we just finished our very last hike, looking for the geocache in our geo tour. We have done all 5 this weekend. Now remember, we started a year ago, and we found, do you remember how many we found that day?
I'll go back and look.
When we put all of these videos together, it'll make sense, but I think we have found our total 9. You were supposed to do 9 to get the little geo coin. So we're gonna go home, get all of our pictures and stuff together, put it together and see, put it all together for you guys so you can see it. So yeah, this is a super pretty spot here. There's a little gazebo here at the top of the Unicoi Falls trail that we took. Really pretty, nice place to sit down and take a rest and take in the view. Of course, it's super winter and cold, but still pretty.
We camped last night, but this is right beside the lodge at Unicoi Falls.
Yeah, we came up and parked at the lodge to find this cache. So, yeah.
We absolutely loved this geo tour. It gave us a chance to visit state parks that we would not normally visit. Now, once you've completed all 9 of your caches in the certain region that you were going for, you would print out a passport. This can be found online, and then you simply write down all your code words that you found in each cache, take a snapshot of it, and then email it in. And within a week, they sent me my geo-coin here. Now, since this was a Jeep adventure, we used Sparky to travel all over Georgia to get it. He will be getting this badge. It will be going on his badge display there for all to see. Super fun. We loved it. We would do it again. We may even do one of the others. There are 4 regions that you can earn these geo coins here. The swamp region, the plains region, lakes, and then the mountain regions. Now the mountain region was the one we did, and it included all the parks that you saw here in this video. So we hope to do some others.